In today's video, we are going to install USB ports to our MT09 in order to have some more versatility and to be able to connect several types of devices. Stay tuned to follow the process. There are several options for USB connections. I chose to buy this product from Amazon once, which allows direct connection to the plug already on the bike. You can always opt for the original Yamaha USB, but it will force you to make the connection to the battery, so I opted for this one. We can mount it on the handlebar or on the mirror. I'm going to opt for the second option. We have to disassemble the front of the bike to have access to the connector where we are going to plug in our USB. Then just run the cable behind the headlight and connect it to the existing port on the bike. Assemble all parts again and it's ready. USB port installed. As you can see, it's mounted in this position. And I could also mount it here. I use the zip ties to adjust the cable position. The cable goes behind the headlight. When you take the headlight, you will see a connector where you can connect the new USB plug. When you start the bike, you give power to the USB socket. I don't know if you can see in the image a blue light. Hope you enjoy the video, subscribe, and leave a like.